Welcome to my channel. Vacuum now. See? Put some holes on it all over.
And now you
all
need
over the
bucket.
Yeah, we
And
put
then now you need some soil. Just a little bit of soil though. If
Yeah,
you do too much, then it might not work.
Yeah, not too much. See, we're gonna put a little bit of soil. Like that.
Maybe just a little more in case if you want to make sure. Can't really do it. There we go. Okay, that looks like enough.
Enough.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Put a little bit. So
I'm gonna put a little bit of dry in there for the black.
I see. Okay, yeah, the leaves like this. You can put.
Okay, this
that's
looks
enough.
like enough.
We're going to decompose, right?
We're gonna make this decomposter.
Composter, so that we have an organic.
Oh, our cat's here.
Okay.
The last view. Sorry, it's opening.
So first you put a
Lot of
a soil like that, a little bit. Then you have a pineapple. No, use this one. See, this is from. We have this one from our kitchen.
it's a
So we
little
have the
gross.
pineapple.
Have mango. Mango.
Pineapple.
Apples.
Yeah, mango.
Um,
Pineapple. There's a mango.
mangoes. We should put an apple in there.
See,
I feel like I'm gonna be putting the apple there.
is it an apple? This is a mango.
All right.
Mango.
Oh, it looks really gross, but please, this is the
The banana. See the banana.
banana. I love myself a juicy banana.
Yeah.
I'm getting the inside of the mangoes on accident.
Yeah.
This tool has way more
We're making an organic fertilizer for our garden.
I wish I could
So
try
we're
to
just, that's why we're making a compost.
And we're making ourselves trash, really.
Yeah, this is for. No, don't throw away your like this. Like,
Because you can make this into dirt and stuff. Or should I say composter?
composter. Yeah.
This is a big mango.
Just,
Oh, come on. I really want to do that mango. Wait. Mango,
Ah.
mango together.
Okay.
Bam. It looks really gross, but it has to work.
Yeah, but this is good for our garden so that we will not buy anymore.
I still
Organic
see some
fertilizer.
tags.
So we will not buy anymore the fertilizer. So we're making this one. Yeah. So I think we're gonna put all together. Can you hold?
You should also make sure you shake your thing before when you're done, or you can just shove it like that.
Yeah, just drop off and
Just make sure you don't drop another bag in there.
Just only for the fruits.
Okay.
Just
That looks
put
good enough.
fruits. What else? You can put like this, the leaves, the anything you have.
Anything you have that.
Except for this one is good for the.
Now I have to wait.
This is, you can wait for at least.
You can also see stuff. The hole.
Then you can put something like this from your kitchen.
I'm gonna smash this up.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Like that. Just put.
I'm gonna use this tool. No, I want to use it. Can you use it? You can also use it.
No,
to
no,
pick up
not that one.
stuff.
Just like that. Okay. Okay. So this one is from the roses, flower of the roses.
We have to put some dry grass in.
Yeah, the dry grass you can put in there. That
We also
one.
have to make sure there's not a lot of dirt on here because we already put dirt in here. Hold on, let me get some more dirt.
Dry grass. No, don't put
Don't put those grass. Here.
the dry.
I'm gonna put some that are fresh.
That's okay.
Fresh ones.
That one.
Okay.
You will see if it's already full and then you can stop it. So that's how it is.
I'm gonna press it. Press. Press. We have a hole
So
right
I think
here.
we can wait for how many weeks? Maybe
Maybe like
2 to 3 weeks. You can check on it, and then you will see the result.
it'll be composter.
Yeah.
Oh, this feels really fluffy.
And then you have an organic fertilizer to your vegetables.
This feels super duper fluffy.
Yeah. Your vegetables, your flowers.
And the kitten has came to join.
So you don't have to buy
Composter. Even though it's hard work, you can.
fertilizer. You can save your money.
I mean, it is hard work, but
It's not.
it's just like some simple steps. I'm gonna put in some dirt.
Oh, and then on the
Here.
top, we will put
Soil.
so just like this, on the top, but not too much. This is our first time to compost garbage from our kitchen, in our
Living
yard. Yeah, those fruits.
Those fruits and vegetables are actually better what you think.
You can make a
Remember to save those mangoes
the bananas
and those healthy pineapples. You can make you can make nice composter if you just tried this simple video.
Are you gonna go swimming? Are we gonna decompose you too?
Sorry, we have cats. Sometimes they get in our way, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're lovely, sometimes they're
Something
mean.
like that brought all together.
We need more on some sides so we can make this flat. The kitten's roaming around here. I don't think she should.
Like that. I think that's
I
enough.
think, yeah, that should be enough.
So make sure you're gonna put some holes beside it.
You could also
Like
see what's
Like
there.
so that the air will
come in
coming out
and well in coming into.
coming into two. Something like that.
I'm gonna try to put in some decoration.
So after this one, you can, let's go. That's enough. So now we're going to put a cover. So put some cover in it, just like that. I didn't put a hole on the top. That's fine.
Popping right back off. Lid doesn't fit very good for some reason. Oh, I know what happened. We got that hole in the bottom here. It pushed out the thing there. See?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So you notice you didn't put some holes on the top because that way, if it's raining, there's no water get inside. Okay. So we'll see in 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Then. This is the one. Buy anymore a fertilizer from the store. Look at that. Need to pulverize just like that. See, okay, I have fertilizer. It's perfect. It's working. Already have a fertilizer in